Question 9 of this exercise says the adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. Find the area of the whole land, the area of the flower bed, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed, and the circumference of the flower bed. So let's start by finding the area of the whole land. As we can see that it is in rectangular shape, so we know the formula to find the area of rectangle, that is L into B. So length is 10 meter and breadth is 5 meter. So it will be 50 square meter. That will be the area of whole land. Now let's move on to the second part. In the second part we have to find the area of flower bed. So as we can see that the flower bed is in circular shape. So it will be pi r square, or we can say 3.14 into 2 square, and on solving this we will get 12.56 square meter. So that will be the area of the flower bed. Now let's move on to the third part. Now in the third part we have to find the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. So we'll subtract the area of the flower bed from the area of the lawn. So it will be 50 minus 12.56, which is same as 37.44 square meter. Now in the fourth part we have to find the circumference of the flower bed. So it is basically 2 pi r, or we can say 2 into 3.14, and the radius is given, that is also 2. So it is 12.56 meter. So that will be the circumference of the flower bed.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.